Okay, in this video I'm going to show you an application called Yumi. Yumi is a USB creator for multi-boot. So first of all, let's open up the application. Okay, now this is a Linux based open source software, as you can see by the Linux symbol there. You just click agree and then you'll get this up, and what you can add is you can either add ISO files or even zip files, and I'll show you both. Okay, so first of all we need to know where our USB is. Now my particular USB is on the H drive. You can actually show all of the drives, so that will show your C drive, D drive and whatever. But it's always better to leave it to Yumi to sort out which is the actual USB one. In this case it is H drive. If you're not quite sure, just go into my computer and double check that your USB device is whatever drive is stated in this here. Okay, so I'll just click. Now it will give me a list of all of the Linux operating systems I can actually put on, so I can run a Linux operating system live. We've got a lot of Debian operating systems here, and if I scroll down, we've got your Ubuntu, Ubuntu, and others. If you want to know a little bit more information about that particular product, if you just click on it, and then on the right hand side here you can actually visit their website, and that will give you more information about exactly what you may be installing onto USB multi-boot. The things I'm interested in here is I'd like to create an MS-DOT, which is Microsoft based, and also some utilities which may help me in the case of a computer going down or a virus being put on the computer. So just let me scroll down, and as you can see here we've got antivirus tools, and we've got Acronis anti-malware, ABG rescue, so that's an antivirus rescue scanner. I've already downloaded some of these from the website, but if you, like I said, if you click on this, it'll give you information, plus it will give you an opportunity to download that particular program as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to actually put on a MS-DOT. Now MS-DOT isn't in this particular list, so all I need to do is scroll right down to the bottom and try an unlisted ISO. I'll click the unlisted ISO, click browse. Now I've already created a folder here called the multi-boot folder, and in here is my MS-DOT 6.5, which is Windows 7. You can get MS-DOT 6, which is normally for Vista and XP, but 65 is the one we need for Windows 7. And there is two versions, because nowadays operating systems run either on 32-bit or 64-bit, so just ensure that you've got the correct one. Okay, so I'll just double click that, and as you can see it's inserted the information into the MS-DOT 6.5, and then click create. What it's saying here is Yumi is ready to perform the following actions. So it's going to create a master boot record, which is an MBR. Okay, and it will be overwriting the existing one. Okay, let's just click yes. Now it will start to process and install the information. As you can see, the actual file size is 269, so this will take a bit of time. Okay. And what I'll do is I'll just show you one other one that we can actually install. The second video that I'll try and do with this particular Yumi installation is actually showing you it booting up into a system using VMware. Okay, and there you go. As you can see, all finished. Process is complete. We just click next, and it'll give you an opportunity to either add another one. If we'd like to add another one, which we will do, we'll just click yes. Then we'll go to the H drive again, and we'll go down the list until we get a utility. So let's just try memtest. Okay, so this will check your memory of your system prior to the operating system loading up. So we'll just click browse again, and as you can see, I'm in my multi-boot, and there it's picked it up. And this is a zip file this time, but it's a self-extractor. We'll just click open. As you can see, it's put the information in here. And this is installing it, and the process is finished. And that is how to create your pen drive multi-disk. Just click next, say no, and it will tell you that Yumi has completed your selection of installed on your USB. Once you've done this, all you need to do is go to your system that you want to have a look at and set the first boot to USB device. That is usually USB HDD. Thank you for your time.